Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please just ignore this red stuff on my neck. It's an electric ant that kind of beats me, but welcome back. It's been a long time since I picked up the camera to vlog. My brother is here with me. What's your name?
My name is David Chijoke. How many times?
They didn't even hear you. What did you say your name is?
My name is David Chijoke.
Yes, his name is David Chijoke and my name is David Chinyere. But Precious is also my name. But anyways, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I picked up the camera to vlog, and I just needed to do this vlog because my friend's birthday is in a few days. Ada's birthday is on Saturday, but today is her photo shoot day, so I decided to just set up a vlog to capture the events and bring it to you guys. So anytime you see this vlog, please just take it, okay? Just know that was the time I had the chance to edit and upload.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I tried to let go of all of the nonsense that you put me through. I give it all to you. I do it all for you. Maybe this feeling's overdue. You're uninvited. You wanna hold me close, but I know what you have to. Yeah. Why are you hiding? Tell me, what must I do? Come to you. You're mine. It's right. It's right now.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you're doing fine. Oh my god, if you're new here, hello, my name is Precious and you're welcome to my family. Okay, please consider subscribing if you like my type of content. Now me be stylist, me when no even sabi dress for myself. Now me dey style you. Come on, kwala ge na allow. Ah, a beaut. I'm addicted to you and I cannot let you go. I want to put my hand on your waist. I want to give you all my paper. Yeah. What are you doing there? Hi. Ada's looking all fine. We are off to the studio right now to go and take some beautiful pictures. Angel. Yes. A beauty. Oh yeah. We move.
There's no need on my wedding day to come and start.
You just remember the wedding gown. In fact, you don't even need to hire MU except you don't have strength. You enter inside where? Ha! Me one way hold camera. No say put a look me too.
Ganga.
And you say she's not online.